We were looking for a floor that would be a non-skid, slip-resistant floor that would provide a nice cosmetic balance with safety that we were looking for. The priority was the concourse, and the reason for the concourse being a priority was because of slip and falls and potentials for slip and falls. When the prior floor was getting wet, it was very important for us to address it, and changing the floor to the Duraflex system and coatings provided us with the kind of protection and safety that we were looking for. Our old floor was a concrete floor with various coats of wax, and it was old looking and tired. The new floor with Duraflex coatings is actually much better. It's rejuvenated the facility. It's probably cut down the number of years by as many as 5 to 10 years. The Duraflex system is much easier to clean. You can use any kind of a system cleaner, whether it be a rider machine or whether it be actual mops that are used. Much easier to clean than the old waxed floor. Well, I think the people that have come to the Times Union Center have enjoyed the atmosphere that it provides. Certainly when you walk down the corridor now compared to when it was a waxed concrete floor, it's much more visibly acceptable. Our number of slip and falls in the arena has greatly been reduced as a result of having this new floor system, and we're very happy with the system, and certainly it looks great. It's safe. The people that are coming to the building are much safer. Even if there's a beer or a soda that's dropped, it's a very good flooring system to be used. We're very happy about the decision that we made to go forward with the Duraflex coating system.